Zarba, Scary Comp V53.
Information, but it's still nonetheless pretty creepy. In the video, we can tell that the person behind the camera is—
Bro, he's been doing this shit for 3 years. He's just been constantly putting out the same fucking compilations.
scared. We don't know why, but it seems that the strange noises that are coming from inside the house might be the reason. The following is the video they took.
Creepy house. It looked like a prison. I feel like you're gonna jump scare me. I'm not liking this. What are you doing?
Whoa. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa.
Bro, the door just closed. That was the only thing that happened. Bro, that really actually just was the wind or some shit. I don't know, but I mean, it wasn't a... One more time.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't scream like scary to me. Like, it just seems like the door closed on you and you didn't expect it. I don't know. We needed to see more. That's the thing. We didn't see shit.
But regardless, the video itself is pretty creepy.
Pretty creepy. It's pretty creepy.
Zoe Bruno and her family
He sounds exactly the fucking same from 3 years ago. How is that possible?
live on a farm that they believe is haunted. However, based on videos that Zoe has posted, viewers believe that it's not just haunted, but also cursed. In a recent video, Zoe shared that one of her pigs had given birth to a pair of baby pigs born with unusual deformities. Unfortunately, they were born dead. Now, this was unlike anything the family has ever seen. Because of this, along with other strange occurrences, they believe that something very strange is happening on their farm. But then one night, the strangest thing was caught on camera. Zoe's sister was home alone when she heard weird noises coming from the pig stable outside. She began to record immediately. This is what was caught.
Hola chicos, estoy grabando este video porque mi papá y mi mamá se fueron a comprar una cosa en el almacén y mi hermano Seban está en la pieza, pero yo sentí el olor a
What do you mean gone?
No sé qué está pasando, pero quiero tratar de grabar. ¡Ah! Miren eso. ¡Ah! ¡Ah!
What? I don't know, man. It kind of seems all too, like, cinematic.
Trato de grabar.
I mean, is that even what he's saying? But he just woke up and his family was gone, and then he walked outside? I don't know. That just seems like a little too, like, cheese for me. I don't know. I'm not buying that one, to be honest. Alright, next one.
The following video was posted by JB, who had caught something chilling on his Ring camera. Before this incident, JB and his roommate had been experiencing strange happenings at home that neither of them could explain. From hearing taps on the
Bro, that's so dumb. And then they made a podcast because they're, oh, the house is haunted, and then you guys will be able to see it in the podcast. And then y'all just do some dumb shit while the podcast is going.
Now JB thinks that his roommate might have brought something into their house.
Let me just see the clip.
Mind you,
I don't have much patience with this one. This one's most definitely fake.
that they were the only ones home when this happened. Take a look.
I heard that. I heard that.
Oh my god.
That's Jamie. Tell them to look at the Ring cameras now.
Well, where'd it come from?
I heard it up there.
Bro, Ann mentioned the camera. I'm just done with that one. I just don't even want to waste it. That's so stupid, bro. Bro, these are worse than Sir Spooks. Bro, I was, the first video I did Sir Spooks, I was so mad about it because it was like so shitty. But man, these have just been, the old ones, oh brother, they're shit. Oh brother, they're
That being
shit.
said, let's get back to the video.
I think because he sources videos like this way through his community, I think now it's better because he has a bigger community.
For this next segment, someone had taken a screenshot of an online chat room in which something very strange was seen. JPD had submitted the following photo and writes that his cousin had been on Omegle talking to a stranger when all of a sudden, something appeared in the back of this person's room. It appeared for a split second before the chat room had switched to another stranger.
Nah, it's gonna be a 140p webcam that I have to fucking...
JPD's cousin wasn't sure as to what she'd seen, but because she had screen recorded the chat rooms, she was able to look back at this moment and see if she actually saw something. When she got to the point where the thing had appeared on camera, she was left disturbed.
Wait. So she's on Omegle and recording her own screen while on Omegle? What kind of fun? Like, what? Is that even?
This is what she saw.
Oh, you took a picture. Bro, how do I know that's not your fucking mom and that's your sister in the back? Like, what? This single image is what you're gonna try to say is like scary and worthy of being in this bitch? Come on.
There appears to be a tall, shadowy figure entering this person's room in the back.
It's your mom, bruh. It's your mom.
When it comes to videos on poltergeist activity, it seems that the most believable ones are those in which the video was initially recorded for a different reason. In this case, YouTuber Mowgli85 was recording the trailer for the Simpsons movie from the film's official website so that he could upload the trailer to his YouTube channel. However, while
Piracy.
videotaping the trailer, something pretty creepy happens. This is what was caught.
This summer.
And dishonor, between family and enemies, between July and August, a line will be drawn. And then colored. Run! Jump! Run!
Yeah, that could have been ready to fall though. You know how many times that's happened to me when you I stack clothes like a fucking weirdo, you know? Like weird architecture type stacking, you know? Barely looks like it'll hold together, but it does. Kind of like that. And then it'll just like, at one point randomly in the day, it'll just whoop, and then fall over.
July 27th, a secret will be revealed.
Look at that. You can see the 4 states that border Springfield.
Oh, that's weird. Okay.
And Kentucky. Oh, yeah.
An empire will rise.
Bro has a Ouija board. You didn't say goodbye, I'm sure. I'm sure you didn't say goodbye. Bro, how would you even fake this? Oh, bro, I'd never be able to sleep in that room again.
Out of nowhere, things began to move on their own. Now, after seeing the video, viewers had pointed out that the Ouija board in the corner of the room might be the reason as to why all of this is happening.
Yo, I bet that's actually the case though.
According to Mowgli, he'd been playing with it the day before this incident. So, according to viewers, it makes sense that something like this would occur. But as always, what do you think? Is this actual footage of something paranormal?
Dude, I don't know. That's a good one. That's a good one. I'm hitting the like that. That's a really good one.
Or is it simply a video that's been staged? As always,
Easily could be, but it's well staged.
I'll let you be the judge. Feel free to let me know what you think.
Number one, last one.
Reddit user AMRV had recently moved into an apartment with a couple of friends. However, there have been strange things that have been happening ever since they moved in. AMRV writes, "We noticed pretty much right away that stuff does not stay on the walls. Posters,
What?
pictures, command strips, etc.
Bro, I'd be fucking fuming if stuff just didn't stay on the wall. Like, that'd be the most annoying ghost ever. Holy shit.
will just come off the walls overnight. Posters will fall off the walls really dramatically and startle us out of nowhere all the time.
Wow.
Among all the stuff that have been on the walls, a frame that was recently hung hasn't fallen off. But then one day,
Okay.
the following was caught on camera. Take a look.
No way they just... What?
The frame
didn't-
appears to be
okay.
moving on its own. Now, perhaps the vent that's above it might have been causing it to move.
Yeah, maybe.
Because of this, the following day, AMRV had decided to record the frame before and after the air conditioner turned on. She wanted to see if the AC was causing this. However, it was during this recording that something unexpected had occurred. This is what was caught.
Okay, this is our vent test. We have about a minute until the heat's supposed to cycle on. We're gonna see if that does anything to move the picture frame.
Is it timed? Just turn it on. Hello. I should have skipped. It's too late now. Oh, we're just abandoning the test? Wait, we need the data. Oh, she's straight leaving. Oh, they threw your shoe. Bro, I think that was... Oh.
According to AMRV, she wasn't sure if the neighbors were messing with her, or if something
AMRV.
paranormal had occurred, but seeing the fallen frame has left her spooked.
I don't know. That one kind of feels like set up a little bit. That's too perfect. Yeah, the other one that one was good. With the Ouija board in the room, bro. That's so subtle too, and it looks like how a kid would just fucking throw one in the laying on the bed in the wall like that. Like that seems so legit. Wow, that was a good one. Finally, got some redemption on Bizarre Bub. I'm keeping him on too. Then that's fine. I'm down. All right. That's gonna do it. I'm gonna end it there. I'm gonna call it there. I am gonna do games again. So I'm gonna stop for like 15 minutes, probably eat something because I'm dying, and then play probably 1 or 2 horror games.